for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Please don't fuss and fight.
Hi guys, so this is the look that I put on Aisha a couple weeks ago. I'm just showing you guys how it looks on me. Also show you guys the difference between eyes. There's people think that what they do on hooded eyes, you can do on monolids, you can do on almond shaped eyes, you can do on deep set eyes, you can do, and it's just not the same. Makeup, no matter how, even if you use the same exact products or colors on the eyes, you are still going to get a different look on the eyes. Now Aisha has deep set eyes and I have hooded eyes. Now because I have hooded eyes, a lot of times my colors don't show up on my eyes, as in it's not showing up on my eyelids unless I physically like put them above my crease. I have to put the color above my crease because I have hooded eyes. Now for Aisha, she has a deep set eyes, which means her lid is exposed, her crease is exposed. Also her brow bone is exposed. Everything for her is exposed. So I love doing people who have hooded eye, deep set eyes, protruding eyes, almond eyes. I love doing those. Well, I like doing all eye types, to be quite honest, because even with hooded eyes, it gives me a nice little challenge. So now I'm using my Sasha Buttercup, my Sasha pressed Buttercup, and I'm using that to set my brow bone, to go down my nose, and also to do my little Rihanna-esque little mouth slit. I don't know what it's called, you guys, but that thing there, yes, I'm using makeup to do it because I really wish I had one of those Cupid's bow thing. I really wish I had one, but I really don't. So right now I'm just finessing, just kind of blending out what needs to be blended out, and I'm adding colors as I go along. Now the key to a natural look is just keep it nice and plain and simple on the eyes. If you want, you could have just done lashes only with a little bit of eyeshadow, like little bit, so that it's not even showing, with a bold lip or nude lip or whatever. But that's the key for a more natural look, which, you know, I have been requested of. So for the next coming weeks, I'm going to be doing some more natural looks. This for me is natural, and this for a lot of people is not natural, but I think it can follow it a little bit easier because I use less eyeshadow. I didn't go into the cut crease and grab this and that. I just use different stuff for effect. Now the truth is, you could have stopped right here, you know, put on mascara, not even lashes, excuse me, just put on mascara and then you're good to go. But to me, it just felt like it was undone. So I just applied my LA Pro Primer in black, and then I am going to go ahead and blend it out using my brush from my Dipped in Elegance line, which is now at Fontana Pharmacy, and I believe it is half off. I think so. I'm not sure, maybe not. And I'm just kind of winging it out a little bit. Then I'm going back in with the same color, and that's going to go on my lash line. So the LA Pro Primer went on my waterline as well as my lash line, and this color is going under, sorry, it's going under my lash line, not on my lash line, going under my lash line. So I'm adding all of these fluff for effect, you know. I didn't even have to add the black, but because I'm telling you guys, natural is just not a look that I go for. It's really not. I like when my looks are striking, because if you're going to wear makeup, wear makeup, but hey, whatever. So I'm setting the LA Pro Primer with black. It also make it look a little bit more, you know, powerful. It kind of make it stand out some more. So now I'm low lighting with Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. They're on Instagram, and I'm low lighting with Perfect Bronze. Yeah. Oh, my foundation is all Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, by the way. I'm wearing their Second Skin foundation in Perfect Bronze. I'm wearing their powder in Perfect Spice, their loose powder. Then I'm also wearing their Sasha Buttercup as a highlight as well, the loose powder. For my lashes, I believe I'm wearing my own lashes. These are Fashionista lashes for my lash line. Fret not thyself, let not thy heart be troubled. Unfortunately, I see my brand coming into fruition in 2019. I'm talking a full restock of well, the beauty aspect of my brand. I'm talking a full restock of the lashes as well as the brushes. So that lip color is called 650 Nude, and it's from Maybelline. It's my absolute favorite nude at this time, and I'm lining my lips with LA Girl Espresso. lip liner. This is the look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really love it looks, and I'd be like, you know what, I can actually do this natural thing. Yes, but not really. But this is the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Jesus, I put everything aside, cause I acknowledge you are the most high. Even the scholars can't even deny that your words can't ever be a lie. Your word is the only thing that brings life. 55 preachers preach from the same verse. 55